Hello my people, welcome to Marigold TV. I beg, if today na your first time to watch or listen to my video, make you not forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to press notification bell. For those of you who don't already subscribe to this my channel, thank you very much for your support. And if you never see subscribe, I beg, do me a favor, just press that subscribe button and press the bell sign so that anytime I drop video for this my channel, you go always there aware. So today, my people, the matter where I carry come give una now concerning Isakaba wey don enter Edo State. If you never hear now, just sit down and you listen. Oh, Isakaba don dey fully in charge of Edo State. They don ready to fetch all those bad guys, people where they do bad for that our Edo State. Benio, wherever they dey. Isakaba is fully now for them. Una see the picture one I just see for this thumbnail. So now the ones where they take they bring people where they work out both inside bus. Once they stop bus, they say it get waiting. They take they touch them. Now remember that year now where Isakaba really be the rain for Igbo land that time. Even with this Isakaba 18, it can't even reduce crime. It can't reduce all those thieves for some particular state. But not only Edo State, now this Isakaba, people no agree come. But I so much believe now, say, as Edo State can't begin the out for all those young boys where they do bad things. That is the reason why they invite them to come to Edo State so that we all go see for them coming to Benin City. Maybe change go see there. Who they do bad, they go see adjust once they hear say Isakaba. Even when me even come across them for this social media for inside Facebook, I was so surprised. I was like, Isakaba see the rain. I don't even know say whether these people see they exist again. It was long I've heard about them. Even that time self, before I even come up for Nigeria or I newly just enter Europe then. Now I tell you about Isakaba reach. But now, as I just hear say the day for Edo State to my people, I beg, if una get any younger ones, anybody where they do evil, make una let them know, say make them stop her now, because Isakaba people, they know the pity for personal. If they catch you, say you be evil doer person, I don't come bring know what they use they do, whether they buy them or they'll go lock them up for station. I don't know about that one. But at the end of the day, my people, how not think how not see this whole matter? Do you think it's a very good idea for Isakaba to come fully for all those evil people where they do bad everywhere for those states? Make una see put your own opinion. Write your comment, how you feel. But my own opinion is that as they come so, it not be say they bad. So far may they not go they buy the innocent people. The jazz where they use. If you really they powerful enough to really know who they do bad, it go fetch down person out for public. It will be very, 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 very good. But if that jazz can't go touch or bring somebody where it just they innocent, and it can't happen to be say that one can't be a victim of Isakaba. Now there wahala there. Now my whole opinion I just given to my people. Now there, now a problem will come there. But in as much say they don't enter Edo State now. Peace go constant day. All this jogo thief all those young boys where they do bad, they go, they fight themselves up and down. They go still adjust. Hey, they go need to adjust, unless say they'll go see recruit themselves, say they want ready to see kind of challenge, fight back with Isakaba, so that Isakaba go come on for there, so for them to get opportunity to they do what they do before. But honestly speaking, Edo State was one of the peaceful land in Nigeria as a whole. You go work out 24 hours. You go market, maybe you not see bus, take come house. You go just have to use your leg, work out if your place not too far. Use your leg, work out, just go out. But now, you dare not try it. Even some people where they drive car self, fear not go even let them carry their car come out for evening time. Rather, wherever they dey for outside, they go quickly want to drive home so that they no go dark meet them for outside. If they dark meet them for outside, they don't enter one chance. Sometimes they come meet all those bad boys for road. Before you know, they'll collect their phone, their handsets, collect their phone from them. If they don't even carry their car, or they know will they collect everything where they get. Because of this bad thing where they do, now can they make so many things can change for Edo State. Una remember that year, if people they celebrate, maybe they do this funeral, all this stuff like that. Now in the night, they be take the one, but based on say the rate of thief, bad boys everywhere, every corner where you waka go, they can't change them. Come day for daytime in the afternoon. Who will ever do normal events? If not be even say maybe that person lost a loved one, maybe party, late night party, till dawn party. Some people they do birthday party for night time for their house. They go put canopy for outside. Who there for inside go they drink, they go they bubble. Who go there for outside, they go see the bubble on their own. But now, as Edo State can't dey so, you just not try to. You don't get us to the strong reach. Unless now you see with the set of people where see they torment, where see they spoil that environment. Where they shake that beneath, now it go make you even get that confidence, say you want come out for late hour. But if you not be among those gang, they're not born you reach there, eh? So with this is Sakabana, my people, I wanna see her. Because you don't they date too much for all those young guys for those states. Small boys, you go see 15 years old boy. If they carry this thing where they take they buy somebody, carry on. You yourself when they use that they look there, you go they fear. Sometimes they're not going to carry self. But when you see them, you go need to respect them, you go need to lawyer for them because you know say that then they shake Edo State. Isakaba is in Benin now. I so much believe. That is why it's make una see put una own opinion. If una think say that the best idea be this, or it not be really the best idea to get rid of those people where they turn Edo State upside down for the good citizen. The most painful thing about this whole fight, this whole wahala, what they create for that Edo State, now the innocent one, they suffer. All those ones where they do all this bad thing now, they run from scatter to scatter. They know as they take they shock it themselves once they don't shake area. But the innocent ones, they figure innocent people for family. That one can't go end up, go face waiting, they don't know anything about. You know, Isakaba want to do their job in Edo State. I strongly kind of believe say go reduce the rate of gaga where young Edo guys till they behave. It don't they get too much. person not get freedom again to waka, especially if you dey for some kind area, eh? Hey, Jesus no give. If they say waka go this kind area for 6 o'clock, make you drive out for that area around 7. They not born you reach there to say you want carry your car enter. They not fear not go let you try ya. If you try ya, if you get luck safe, they go carry your car from your hand. They go fit use their hand mama you. They go say make you go. But if you not get luck and waiting they come for you, not say give them. I'm sorry for you. You know. So at the end of the day, just in a way to make Edo State to be peaceful again, to still remain the great states. Edo is number 1. There is no other state where they peaceful more than Edo State before, eh? But because of all those little one where they do bad now. Anyway, when you take measure Edo State, they go say, Edo State where all those young boys say they do bad. You see, say no, they good, and all those ones where they do all those things, so they go to say na hardness they make they do one. But they don't know that they are even using it to waste so many people life out there. In anything you want to do, you don't need to attack. You don't need to carry this thing and they carry. They find the innocent people go. I just pray as this is Sakaba console. Make it just be saying now bring people where they do bad there. Now they go get arrested, put for one corner. If now to make those people change, make them change. That is just it. And then when you go the waka before, you don't go the fear. But now, I don't say many people they fear not to even waka for road. You see, and you not be waiting they good. You not be waiting they good to hear. So now those states, now can become states where be say, people they do what they like. When everybody try to make that state they peaceful, not to they do all those yama thing where those younger guys they do, it go really they good for everyone. Everybody go see they live as they live years ago. You go carry mats, go outside. Sometimes you go just spread your mat, spread cloths, put for under cashew tree, under mango tree. They go just dark or some people they now midnight. Then they'll come to realize say you now outside they sleep or before they'll come inside house. Around 2, around 12. They sit relax for under shade, under like mango tree or cashew tree I talk. Nobody, even though rats pass you by, you know go even fear say, maybe a person, then one can attack you. But now, you go even sit down for inside your city room self. Some people go they fear. So with this Sakaba matter, we just hope say just bring enough change. It make Edo State to be peaceful again. It go see make all those young youth where they do gaga so make they see kind of start to they behave themselves, knowing that Sakaba don't come that land. You know? So at the end of the day, everybody wants their own state to be better. But you will not want your state to be better. You want to make it just a destroy because of no important reason. Right? You know they're good. I never see where person they use their hand, they spoil their own thing. But when it comes to some people for those states, then they do one. They don't even care. So now be that my people. Now say, okay, make I just let you know this update to say Isakaba. Don't land for Edo State. I wanna think, make una put in our own comment. I wanna see this whole matter. Whether una like her. The way we they so as they don't arrive or things say is not the best. So me myself, I don't give una my own opinion, say e dey really good if that one go make those guys still dey calm. It go make Edo State still dey peaceful. So now be that, my people. Thank you very much, and I see you in my next video.